Can roof coatings actually extend the life of a commercial roof? If you manage a commercial building, you've probably heard that applying a roof coating can extend the life of your roof. The question is whether that's actually true or whether it's being oversimplified. In this video, I want to explain what a commercial roof coating really is, when it makes sense to use one, and when it doesn't. My name is Kevin with Equity Commercial Roofing. We work with building owners and facility managers who need roofing decisions to support operations, budgets, and long-term performance. Roof coatings are one option we evaluate, but they're never a default recommendation. Everything depends on the current condition and life cycle stage of the roof. A commercial roof coating is not a full roof replacement. It's a fluid applied roofing system that is installed over an existing roof. When installed correctly, it follows manufacturer specifications and cures into a fully warranted system. From a life cycle perspective, a coating is designed to protect an existing roof that still has structural integrity. A roof coating can extend the life of a commercial roof when that roof is still performing structurally. There's a specific window in a roof's life cycle where restoration makes sense. The materials underneath must still be intact. The insulation needs to be dry, and the roof cannot be breaking down internally. When those conditions are met, a coating can slow wear, reduce exposure, and delay the need for a full replacement. From a budget and planning standpoint, that can be a valuable option when used at the right time. Where problems occur is when coatings are applied to roofs that are already failing. If moisture is trapped in the system, materials are deteriorated, or if there are deeper structural issues, a coating does not solve those problems. In those situations, applying a coating can increase risk by covering issues that still exist underneath. That can lead to higher costs later and complicate future repairs or replacement. This is why coatings should never be treated as a one-size-fits-all solution. Roof age alone does not determine whether a coating will work. Two roofs of the same age can be in completely different conditions. The only way to determine whether a roof is within the appropriate window for a coating is through a professional inspection. That evaluation allows us to assess moisture, materials, and overall system performance, so recommendations are based on data rather than assumptions. Roof coatings aren't inherently good or bad. They are situational tools. When applied at the right time, they can extend roof life and support long-term planning. When applied at the wrong time, they can increase costs and risk. If you're thinking about getting your commercial roof coated, reach out to Equity Commercial Roofing for a free roof inspection. Thanks for watching.